Wocki beats on the track.
Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Renee and this is Voguish Beauty. So today I'm going to be doing a flawless foundation for you guys in under 10 minutes. I know a lot of people are always on the go and you have to get to work, you have to get to class, and you want to look nice, like you want your skin to look even and smooth, but you don't want to put in all the work. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that. I've already went ahead and I concealed my face, or the certain spots on my face, using this concealer. I also got this concealer. So this is Cocoa and this one is Toffee. Toffee is like my skin shade. This one is more of a contour. I was gonna get the highlight shade for me, which would be Chestnut, but it was not in store. So I'm gonna save these guys for a later tutorial once I can get my hands on the highlight shade. But I am going to be showing you guys how I do my foundation, or how I've been doing it lately, and I think it looks really nice. And I gotta stop saying and I think it looks really nice. It looks very seamless and smooth, and that's what I look for in a foundation. So I'm obsessed with the new Lancome Skin Feels Good. It literally feels like you're not wearing anything at all. So it is a hydrating skin tint, but they do advertise it as a foundation. It's really like a tinted moisturizer. It has SPF 23 in it, hyaluronic acid, I hope I said that right, moringa seed extract, and it's paraben free and it's oil free. So if you're oily, don't get discouraged, you can use this also. But it literally feels like I'm putting tinted water on my face. So it does look wet at first. So I do set this with my Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder. I just like how healthy it makes my skin look. And today I just wanted to do like, I like how it doesn't cover up my little whatever those are, freckles, sunspots. I wish I had freckles. So I'm just gonna blend that even into like my hairline or my wig line. Okay, so once I've blended out, I literally used one pump and it got all over my face. So I'm going to take my Laura Mercier Sheer Perfecting Powder. Seamless, smooth, damn near perfection. So of course I'm going to highlight my face. I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Make No Mistake Foundation Concealer Stick in Chestnut. So I'm going to go in with the Soft Focused. And I'm just going to set that into place. Perf. So for bronzer, I'm going to be using CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in Ebony Bronze. Okay, and then for blush, I think I'm going to take Pal today. This is from the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette, volume number 2. So then, of course, I'm going to be using my favorite, Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe. So I'm going to put that in my usual designated spots. Whew, that is really pretty. Yeesh. I like to elongate my nose, so that's definite. I really like my brows today. I don't know what I did different. So then to complete this look, I would just use a simple gloss. Today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss. She's kind of cute. So yeah, this would be kind of a everyday foundation application for me, and I feel like it looks very seamless and smooth, and I feel like I could go, well, I wouldn't wear a trophy wipe, but I could go to a job interview or like anything like that. Like I would wear this to work every day because it's simple, it's easy, and it's quick, and it doesn't require a lot, and it doesn't do too much, as some people would say. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe, and most importantly, have a Voguish day, beauties.